So when I was in the Navy, I worked for a doctor who loved to play golf, hours every day, and I would actually perform medical procedures when he'd leave me in the office. So I'm used to being in a position where I have to make decisions. And Mr. Twistle, listen, this is a very important...
I'm sorry. This thing's impossible.
I can do it.
No, you can't. No one can. It's bullshit.
No, I'm pretty sure I can do it.
No, you can't.
Let me see it. Give it here. Oh, wow, you really messed it up.
Sorry.
It looks like it works around a swivel, so the centerpieces never move. So if it's yellow in the center, that's the yellow side.
Right.
If it's red in the center, that's the red side.
Okay.
So you can slow down.
Oh, listen, we can drive around all day, because I don't believe you can do this.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't. I'm telling you, no one can. I'm telling you. See, that's all I ever do. You almost have the sign. Holy cow. Oh, you almost had that one.
I'm gonna get it.
Look at that. You're almost there.
$17.10. This is me. Good job. Goodbye.
I'll see you soon.
Where are you going, sir? Excuse me, sir. Where are you going, please?
A couple blocks. Just to flip around.
Okay.
Come here! Hey! No! Hey! No! Give me my money! Give me my money now! Please! Son of a bitch! Please! He should have paid you! He should have paid you! I'm sorry! I'm so sorry! Kick your ass! I'm sorry! Idiot! I'm going to kill you! I'm going to kill you! Stop it, you son of a bitch! Stop it! Fuck you, big guy! Fuck him!
Hello?
Hey. Yeah, sorry I couldn't make it home on time.
Chris, I missed my ship.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry about that. Look, I'm on my way right now. Are you all right with Christopher?
I'm leaving. Chris, I'm leaving.
What?
Did you hear what I said?
I have my things together, and I'm taking our son, and we're going to leave now.
I'm going to put the phone down.
Linda,
I'm going
wait
to
a
leave.
minute. Hold
We
on.
are leaving.
It was right then that I started thinking about Thomas Jefferson and the Declaration of Independence and the part about our right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And I remember thinking, how did he know to put the pursuit part in there? That maybe happiness is something that we can only pursue, and maybe we can actually never have it, no matter what. How did he know that?
Linda.
Hello?
Chris,
Who is this?
Jay Twistle,
Hey.
Dean Witter.
Yeah, of course. How are you?
I'm fine. Listen, you still want to come in and talk?
Yes, sir. Yeah, absolutely.
All right, tell you what. Come on by day after tomorrow in the morning. We're interviewing for the internships. You got a pen and paper?
Yes, yes I do. Hold on 1 second.
All right. Hello? Chris?
Go ahead, I have one.
Okay, write this number down so you can call my secretary Janice and she can give you all the specifics.
Yep.
Okay, 415
415
864
864
0256.
0256
Yeah, extension 4796.
4796.
All right, call her tomorrow.
Yes, sir. 415 864 0256.
Okay, bye.
All right, yes, thank you very much.
We'll see you soon.